Today I'll show how to get 3 nightmare fireworks in the 69 Part 1 update at TTD. First, we have the building firework, located in the lobby. Hardcore parkour moment. Next to our trading closet. The trading plaza ones are relatively close to each other. Onto the brick and underground. First, we have the brick firework. Now the underground. Now the underground firework. Probably the hardest to get to. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, like and subscribe. If you have any struggles, tell me in the comments.